The online fly laser marking machine with roll-to-roll device for PET packing film is a versatile solution that can mark a wide range of products. It has fiber, CO2, and UV lasers for different materials and applications. The machine can communicate through Ethernet, TCP/IP, and RS-232, and receive external trigger signals from a PLC for automation laser marking control. With our smart touchscreen control system, setting up marking jobs, printing parameters, and adjusting system configuration can be done easily. It offers the flexibility to create unique markings, including vertical or horizontal adjustment, rotation, and scaling. Marking contents can be texts, dates, times, series numbers, barcodes, or QR codes. High-speed roll-to-roll laser device for PET packing film improves production efficiency. It ensures safety and saves time and money. Contact HiSpeed Laser if you are looking for laser marking solution in the plastic packing industry. Thank you.